Hey guys, so huge pump for Bitcoin. We literally went from 52.5 thousand 5 days ago to 57,000 around 100, 200 right now, which is quite bullish. And looking at the fact that September's usually end negative in red, right now it looks quite bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin ends this month at around 50 to 60,000 levels. Because if you are looking at the last 6 to 7 months, you can see we had this huge jump to the all-time high, 73,000. This means that we have a strong support right here at 51,000 levels. And if we are looking at the long-term movement of Bitcoin, you can see that we are making lower lows every few months. That's why I wouldn't be surprised if we have the last dip to around maybe 52, 50,000. You can see this Japan stock crash made us go below 50,000, around 49,000. But we went back up quite fast. And September is usually the worst month for Bitcoin. That's why I wouldn't be surprised if we end quite low. And if you are looking at this chart, you can see we are making lower lows and lower highs as well. That's why I wouldn't be surprised if we go back to around 60,000, maybe 61, 62. And I think if there is some black swan event or some crash, we might go back to 52,000. But after the September is over, we are moving into a October, which is usually historically one of the best months in crypto. Also, you can see that ETFs returned positive flows, adding $28 million to ETFs. And you can see this also in this chart. We are going up. Everyone is getting bullish again for the crypto and Bitcoin. If you are looking at the biggest gainers of top 500 coins, you can see many meme coins. Also, ApeCoin, basically Bored Ape Yacht Club, are doing big moves. They have collaboration with BMW. They are releasing the Doki Dash mobile game in 7 days. Really, really bullish for NFT space. And you can see some gaming projects. Many meme coin projects are going up. GMT, which is the Steppen project. Overall, the sentiment is getting better and better. And that's because summer is over. People are returning to their screens, to schools, back from the vacations. And if you are looking at crypto investments and fundraisings, you can see almost every day we have multiple fundraising with worth around 2 million, 4 million, even $58 million worth of fundraising from Sequoia Capital. These are really, really legit funds. Polychain, Animoca Brands. There was this A16Z as well investing. You can see every day there are multiple fundraisers. That's why I am really, really bullish on this market. Here you can see A16Z has been restarting to invest huge amounts in crypto as well in upcoming projects. And by the way, most of these projects haven't dropped their tokens yet. That's why my advice is for you to do your research these projects. For example, Coinbase Ventures is a legit investment fund. Many people may think that airdrops are dead, but as we are entering the Q4 is always really bullish for crypto. And I think this Q4 is the time when we are entering a new Bitcoin bull run, which will happen in 2025. That's why this CryptoRank.io is an insane website. And this is definitely one of my favorite tools to use to see upcoming projects before they drop their tokens. And if you want to trade crypto, I'm using myself the Bybit. If you want to sign up and get a big bonus, you can use my referral code. My referral link is in the description and in the comment section. Again, you will get a bonus if you use my referral link. Otherwise, you will get no bonus. That's only if you want to use this exchange. I'm personally using it. I'm using the decentralized exchanges like Uniswap as well. That's why If you want to sign up, use my referral code. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, and Age of Alpha, press that notification bell. So every time I upload, you get that notification and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT, Age of Alpha. That's why thanks for watching and see you in the next video.